start sliding, you feel it, and then you control the steering and that. So just let it come to you.
Welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, today a little treat for you. It's a Cup 200 at Donington track day. Now, it's a very wet track day with a new driver. It's the daughter of Sylvain the MotoGP rider. If you follow MotoGP or any kind of motorcycle racing, you'll know that him and Susie Perry commentate on the MotoGP. And his daughter, well, they've just had a tough year this year, and they decided to do a little track day. Who did they contact? Well, they contacted MK Sportscars. And it was Alicia's first ever time on track at Donington, Alicia's first ever time in a bike engine car, and the first ever time with her dad out tutoring her. So we started off the day very gentle. It was a very wet and slippery and greasy track. Started off extremely gentle. And now you're going to see her going round in a wet lap, doing somewhere in the region of 2:07 minutes. Now, later on in the video, you'll see Alicia step up the pace. Dad tutoring her, unfortunately a couple of spins here and there along the way, tutoring along the way and delivering a phenomenal 1:27 lap. That's a huge, nearly 40-second gains over a day. Just goes to show how good the Cup 200 car is. That's from junior drivers, inexperienced drivers, someone who's never been in it, to someone like Sylvain, her dad, who's a MotoGP rider, absolute expert, getting into the car and actually delivering a 1:22 straight out of the box. So that's fantastic. The guys had a phenomenal day, and we're looking forward to having the Guintoli family back in the track very, very soon in a Cup 200 car. Right, so now we're going to show you Alicia's fastest lap and her one lap wonder and her dash for her, well, attempt to beat Dad. Let's have a go, Alicia. Congratulations, what an awesome lap. Now it's Dad's time to step up now. So Sylvain in the Cup 200 car here, been out in this car before, so he's quite familiar with it. Delivering in very tricky sort of mixed conditions, a 1 minute, very respectable 1 minute 22. So enjoy the lap with, oh, what a top guy, Sylvain Guintoli.